Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing oils and dust. Wipe the guitar with isopropyl 70% and a microfiber cloth so stickers adhere. Once done, lay your stickers on the guitar dry to plan spacing. Use a ruler or tape for consistent margins. Next, peel about 1/4 of the backing and align the exposed edge to the plan spot. Press the center into place gently to set the sticker's anchor point. This lets you adjust the far edge before committing full. You now smooth the sticker to avoid bubbles. Hold the sticker anchored and use a plastic card to squeegee from the center outward toward the edges with steady pressure. For curved spots like the body radius or headstock, warm the sticker gently with a hairdryer at a safe distance until flexible, then stretch and press into the contour. If it overhangs, make a clean trim with a sharp hobby blade, using low-tack tape to protect the guitar's finish while cutting. You finish by pressing all edges firmly and leaving the guitar undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours so the adhesive cures properly. If the instrument sees moisture or heavy handling, consider a thin, clear vinyl sealant along edges. Make sure the sealant is compatible with your finish. If a bubble appears, don't panic. Lift the nearest edge a little, smooth toward the exit, or prick the bubble with a fine needle and squeegee the air out. This preserves adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.